Hello everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to go over how to write a general laborer job application letter. If you're looking for work in construction, warehouses, maintenance, or other physically demanding jobs, then this letter is for you. A well-written application can make all the difference in landing an interview. I'll walk you through each part of the letter, explaining what to write, why it matters, and how to make your application stand out. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to write a professional and compelling letter for a general laborer position. So, let's go. Step 1. Your contact information. Every formal job application letter starts with your contact information at the top. This is how the employer knows who you are and how to reach you. In our example, we have James Mitchell, 2948 Oak Ridge Lane, Phoenix, Arizona, 85008, 602-5557389. James.Mitchell@example.com. Here's what this section includes and why. Full name. Always start with your name at the very top so it's clear who the letter is from. Full address. Listing your address is common in formal letters, especially for jobs that may consider local applicants first. Phone number. Make sure to use a number where employers can easily reach you. Email address. Use a professional email. Avoid using anything too casual like funnyguy92@email.com. Stick to a format with your name, like in this example. Keeping this section clean, organized, and professional ensures the employer can contact you easily if they're interested. Step 2. Writing the date. Next, always include the date you're sending the letter. Our example uses April 27th, 2025. This should always follow the month, day, year format. It may seem like a small detail, but it adds professionalism and lets the employer know when you submitted your application. Step 3. Employer's contact information. Now, you need to add the employer's details. This ensures your letter reaches the right person and department. Here's what we have in our example. Hiring manager. Southwest Construction Services. 7621 Industrial Avenue. Phoenix, Arizona, 85009. Let's break this down. Hiring manager. If you know the hiring manager's name, it's best to use it. For example, Mr. Robert Sanders, Ms. Emily Lopez. But if you don't know their name, hiring manager works fine. Company name. Always include the full name of the company you're applying to. Company address. This helps ensure your letter gets delivered to the right location. Taking the time to personalize this section shows attention to detail, which is a great quality in any job applicant. Step 4. Subject line, stating your purpose. Next, include a clear and direct subject line to let the hiring manager know why you're writing. In this case, it's Subject, application for general laborer position. This does 3 things. It tells them exactly what position you're applying for. It makes your letter easy to organize and find. It's short and professional. No unnecessary words. If you're emailing your application, this should also be the subject of your email. Step 5. The salutation, addressing the hiring manager. Your letter should always start with a formal and polite greeting. In this case, we use Dear Hiring Manager. A few important tips here. If you know the person's name, always use it. Dear Mr. Sanders. Dear Ms. Lopez. If you don't know their name, Dear Hiring Manager is a professional and acceptable alternative. This small detail sets the tone for the rest of your letter. Step 6. Writing the opening paragraph, stating your interest. Now, we begin the body of the letter with a strong introduction. Our sample starts with, I'm writing to express my interest in the general laborer position at Southwest Construction Services. With a strong work ethic and hands-on experience in construction, warehouse operations, and maintenance tasks, I am confident in my ability to contribute effectively to your team. Here's why this works. It gets straight to the point. Hiring managers don't have time to read long introductions. It states the position clearly, so they know exactly what job you're applying for. It highlights key strengths, work ethic, hands-on experience, and relevant skills. Your opening paragraph should be short but powerful, making the employer want to keep reading. Step 7. Highlighting your skills and experience. Next, you need to show why you're qualified for the job. Our example continues. In my previous role at Phoenix Builders, I assisted with site preparation, material handling, and equipment operation. I am skilled in using various hand and power tools and have experience in maintaining a safe and organized workspace. My ability to follow instructions, work well in a team, and adapt to physically demanding tasks makes me a strong candidate for this position. This paragraph is crucial because it mentions a past job to show experience, lists specific duties, like site preparation, handling materials, and using tools, highlights key skills, teamwork, safety awareness, and adaptability. When writing your own letter, always include details about your previous work experience and what skills make you a good fit for the job. Step 8. Expressing interest in an interview. Now, let's wrap things up with a strong closing paragraph. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and experience align with your company's needs. Please feel free to contact me at your earliest convenience to schedule an interview. This paragraph is important because it shows confidence in your abilities, invites the employer to reach out, which increases your chances of getting an interview, is polite and professional, which leaves a good final impression. Step 9. Closing the letter professionally. Now end the letter with, "Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team." Always thank the employer. This is a simple but important step. Express enthusiasm about working with them. Finally, sign off with, "Sincerely, James Mitchell." Use a professional closing, like "Sincerely, best regards," or "Respectfully." Include your name to finish the letter. And that's how you write a general laborer job application letter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching Writing Tutorials. See you in the next video.